Right guys, so in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your AirPods Pro or normal AirPods will not connect to your iPhone. So here I have my AirPods, here I have my iPhone. Okay, let's say there is a problem with them not connecting to each other. How to fix it? Okay, so it's a very simple process. The step number one is to reset your AirPods. How to do it? We want to open it. You see, it turns on with the white color, which means it tries to connect to my iPhone or to connect to any other device, which is not connected yet, okay? So I want to keep it open, rotate the AirPods and see this tiny little button at the back side of your AirPods, okay? What you want to do is you want to press on it and keep holding it, okay? So this is how it's going to look. Okay, so it's closed, now it's open, and now we press on it and hold it. You want to press it and hold it until it changes the color from the white color to something else. And this will depend on how charged your AirPods are. Okay, just keep holding it. And now you see, and it gives you a little sound as well, which indicates that the AirPods were reset. Okay, so now once it's reset, what you want to do is to force reset your iPhone as well. So we're closing it, we're taking our iPhone, you want to open it, unlock it. Okay, once unlocked, what you want to do, you don't want to turn it off, a normal turn off. No, you want to force reset because this will reset any temporary files just as well. And they can just be sometimes an obstacle in connecting to other devices. Okay, so how you want to do it? You want to press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and then press the power button and hold the power button. Okay, and that should be a quite quick process. Okay, so volume up, volume down, holding the power button, okay? In case it wasn't shown, in case you didn't see it in the camera, unfortunately, I think I didn't show it properly. So volume up, volume down, and then the power button. We're holding it, and you can see it asks you to slide to power off. You don't want to do it, you want to keep holding it. Keep holding it for 5 to 10 seconds, okay? Now it's been turned off, forcefully turned off. And that is very important. What you want to do is you want to leave it for 5 to 10 seconds, and then after it's being done, you want to press on it and hold it to turn it on. Okay, you see now it's being turned on. Once this being done, we want to wait for 10 seconds for it to turn on, and then we will try to reconnect our AirPods to our iPhone once again, and I'm pretty sure it's going to work this time. Okay, and I'm going to show you how it is being done. Just cleaning my iPhone screen right now. Okay, now I want to unlock our iPhone. Once unlocked, you're taking our AirPods, you open it, and now it says, with this white color, it says, I want to connect to an iPhone. And then once your iPhone has located the AirPods, you want to press connect. Now it's been connecting, waiting for it. Okay, can take some seconds, several seconds, and now it says connected, you see, and now it gives you the personalized volume and settings, and you just go with it. You can skip it altogether, or you can go with the settings and try to set it up properly. I'll prefer to skip it altogether, and now it says that the AirPods Pro were connected to my iPhone. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.